In this video, I am going to be showing you how to join your Wellin5 video counseling session from your dashboard. So you want to make sure, first of all, that you're on the Home tab, and then you'll see in the top portion of your home, there's this section here. This indicates that your video session has started. This Start Session button will not show up until your session begins. So as you can see, my session has started. So I'm going to click on the red Start Session button, and this is going to take me directly into my session. So here I am in my session, and as you can see, this is the person I'm talking to. I can see myself in the small box at the bottom, and I also have a conversation box that I can open up, and I can send a message to the person I'm talking to here. If I don't want this to overlap my video screen anymore, I can press the arrow and it will close up that box. If I wanted to mute myself, I would simply click on mute. If I wanted to disable my camera, I can simply click on disable camera. If I find that I need to access my crisis resources, I would just click here, and here is a list of my crisis resources. Just click on the asterisk to close it. Here is a countdown of the time remaining in my session. And if I really need help, I can go to the live chat here and speak to a live chat representative. I can also see who my session is with right here. And then to end my session, I simply click on the end button here. Now during the session, I can go in and out at any time. So if I wanted, for example, to book a session, or if I want a client to book a session, the session can be ended and a booking can take place on the dashboard. If there's any technical issues, I can always end the video session and restart the video session. And I'm able to do that for the full 60 minutes of the session. And that is how to join your video counseling session on the Wellin5 dashboard.